Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Yusof and I'm from JIM 11048.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiasif bin Muhammad J. Code class is JIM 110.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Muhammad Jeffrey for JIM 1048.
Hai and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Sam. I'm from JIM 11048.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you the preparation of installation disk. First, you open Google and type Windows 10 and then click on the first result. Then you scroll down until you find download tool now and click on that. After that, you have to wait a few minutes until it installed. Once it's already installed, open it. So in this part, you're gonna have to wait for a few minutes for it to ready. It depends on your laptop too, so you're gonna have to be patient on this part. So once it's ready, select accept and then wait for a few seconds. Then you can see two options. Click the second one. After that, click next. Then you can see the details, the language, edition and architecture. Then click next. You can see two options again, but this time you need to click ISO file, then click next. You need to save that file on your PC. You can choose whatever file you want to save. After that, you have to wait for a few minutes until it's ready. Once it's ready, you can see the two options over there. But you need to choose the first option. And then you click finish. And then it will set up your computer. And then you have it, and that's how you download to your PC. So thank you very much.
You can click Chrome, you search download VMware, you click and you can see download VMware's workstation player. You click and you scroll down and you can see download now and you click. Okay, you can see a progress for the download. Okay, next you click a file and you click a VMware player. You click and you can see a fresh workstation player and you click next and you can see a end user edition agreement, so you can click next can click next. And next. Okay, and system ready to install. You click in progress to install a VMware workstation 60 player. You can wait so few minutes. And when done, you can click finish. So you can see a VMware info page. You click. Okay, now you can click create a new virtual machine. Next, you can see here I will install, and you can click next. You click next, and you can see a window setting Android. Okay, next. Okay, you can 16 to 20, and when done you can click next, and you can see and you click custom hardware, and now you can switch to GB, and next you can see a device. The one is processor, 2 is new CD adapter, USB, sound card, printer, and display. Okay, next you can close, and we're done, so you click finish. Okay, and now you can see a Windows 10 and later. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
For the installation of OS, first thing we click to VMware. Now we wait. Now click to create a new visual machine. Click browse. Click window, and we proceed to next. This is our visual machine names and our location. Next. This is our maximum disk size, which is 60 GB, and we click to store visual disk in a single file. Proceed to next. Click to customize hardware. Drag to 4 GB, which is 4096 megabyte. This is our processor, new CD, network adapter, USB contributor, sound card, printer, and display. Now we close. Now click finish. Now we create this. It will show VMware display. Now we wait again. Now we create a VM Visual SATA CD-ROM drive using our keyboard. Now we click again. It will display window logo. As for the Windows setup, type and currency format, we choose English Malaysia. Try to scroll up. Keyboard input, we choose United Kingdom. Now we proceed to next. Click install now. Wait it. Now we click to add her product key. To restore our operating system, which is Windows 10 Home, we proceed to next. This is our license and term. Select I accept the license term. You can skip this part. Now we click to next. Click to custom install window only. This is our drive. Now we click to next. This is our 60 GB. Now we wait for the installing Windows. Now it will show window need to restart to continue. It will take a couple of seconds. Now it will show just a moment. Okay, from this we click in Malaysia. Now we click yes. Choose United Kingdom and proceed to yes. Now we click skip. Now to access to our desktop, we need to sign in our account. This account is for our Windows. It's easy for us to log in whenever we're on our computer. Next we type in our password. Now we create a PIN. We insert our PIN. Make sure you remember what is happening, so you can log in. It's much easier. As for privacy setting for our device, click accept. Now, for customize your experience, just click skip for this part. Click next for backup our file with OneDrive. Click no thanks for free trial for Microsoft 365. Now we'll take a few seconds before our desktop show up. Now this is our desktop, and finally we are complete in this phase.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Isam. Now I want to show the desktop icons such as my computer, recycle bin, network, document and control panel. First, right click, go to the personalize, go to the themes and click the desktop icon setting and click computer, user files, network, cycle bin and control panel. Click OK. This is a network, cycle bin, this PC and control panel. Okay, now I want to change the wallpaper into the logo of Uitm. Okay, right click, go to the personalize, go to the browse, select the file have been downloaded and click choose picture. Alright, finish. I want to show how to install device drivers. First we go to the Chrome and type a drive booster and click drive booster, scroll and click the free download, scroll and click a free download again. Okay, we waiting for the download. Okay, after the download have been complete, click here and wait. Okay, and click install. Click install and waiting for the installing. Click no thanks and click finish. Okay, now waiting. Click scan. And waiting. I'm waiting for the process of scanning. We click update adapters, click OK, and waiting for the downloading process until complete. Now we go to the perform this partition. Go to the disk PC and click manage. Go to the disk management and go to the OS and right click, change volume and change to 10,000. Click shrink. Right click and click new simple volume and click next, 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 and click finish. Now we go to the disk PC and see have a new volume at this PC. Now I want to show how to set up virtual memory. Click this PC, go to the properties, and click advanced system setting. Click setting, and go to the advanced. Click change. Click here, and click custom size, and 1000. At here 2000. Click OK and finish. Now I want to show how to create a user account. Go to the setting, go to the accounts, and click family and other users. Click add someone else to the PC. And do your username, for example Uitm, and your password. Read the password, your security question, and other security question. Click next and finish your user account. And now I want to show how to create a group account. Go to the file, go to the download and click here. Click groups and right click, create, and write your group name like JIM1104A. Description, group assignment, at here we can add your group members. Select and add your group member and click click select. This is your group members, and click create group. This is your group account. Now I want to show how to share a folder. Click this PC, go to documents, and choose your file you want to share, like this. Click properties. At here we have general, sharing, security, previous version, and customize. Click sharing. Click advanced sharing. Okay, this is list number of people you want to share. Click permission. This is everyone. Want to add a member, want to share, click add, and click OK. Click OK and close. Now I want to show how to run Task Manager. Right click here and go to the Task Manager. At here is the processor, performance, the CPU, memory, disk, internet, Wi-Fi, and others. This is an app history, and we can see history of application, startup, users, owner, details of application. You can see any details, and last services. This is a task manager, and we can see CPU, memory, and others at here. Okay, now I want to show how to run device manager. First, we go to the control panel, go to the hardware and sound, click device manager. Okay, at here we have a file, action, view, and add. We can see any device at here. For example, we go to the audio input and output, microphone. At here we have general, driver, details of microphone, events. Okay. Next, speaker. We have general, driver, detail of speaker, and events. Click OK. This is your device manager. So that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In conclusion, these are the steps and process that we need to do for creating a visual machine and installing the Windows 10. We need to have enough space of storage and follow all the steps correctly to make sure the operating system can be used and functioning correctly. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.